Hey guys, so I know one of the biggest challenges after a total knee replacement is coming home and trying to figure out how you're going to get comfortable, how you're going to elevate the leg, how you're going to get up and down from a soft couch, things like that. And I can tell you right now that a little bit of planning ahead of time will go a long way to making sure that you don't get stuck somewhere you don't want to be stuck. So this is a sectional. A lot of patients will have something like this at home. And the first thing that I tell them is before you ever even think about sitting down, if you just build up the sitting surface, so maybe here, I'm hardly sinking down into the cushions. I've got enough elevation that I know I'm gonna get up. My hips are about in line with or just above my knee. This is a pretty good sitting position. If I had just had a knee replacement and I tried to sit lower, I might very well get stuck in the couch because these couches will just swallow you up. And if I want to recline, I kind of do the same thing. I grab some of the pillows around me, I position them into a seat of pillows so that when I come in and I sit, I can sit back, I can relax, I'm very comfortable. Of course, I have an ottoman in front of me. Now, I would not consider this elevation to reduce swelling. This might be elevation for comfort. This might be elevation to work on knee extension, but it's not elevation to reduce swelling. If I want to reduce swelling, what we're going to be looking at is trying to get the leg higher than my heart. So for example, I would typically sit down into the hole now. I would swing around and get into a position where the leg is literally higher than my heart. It's as straight as it can relatively be after surgery. I can still watch the TV, I can do what I need to do, but this would be elevation to reduce swelling and generally improve function. Once I'm finished, we'd be ready to get up. Now, the question you're probably thinking is, oh, but you sat down too low, how are you going to get up? If I was stuck in this position, if I tried to get up and there was just no way I was going to get up, one of the things that we do is we roll. So I might roll. If my surgical side is on my left, I roll to my right. I kind of use my hands to push up and I dig myself out of the seat. Simple solution, stack those pillows, get your hips higher than your knee. Almost everybody will be able to stand if their hips are higher than their knees, whatever the surface you're sitting on. But if you guys have more questions about anything related to post-surgical recovery after a total knee replacement, absolutely let me know. My name's Tony Maritato. I'm a licensed physical therapist and I'm here to help.